Hi guys, welcome to Forkin Allotment. Today I'm going to be doing my greenhouse and polytunnel guide for January. So January is the beginning of our gardening year in a polytunnel and greenhouse. We can start new seedlings off in propagators, and we can sow our first vegetables into the ground. So first thing I would say is to buy yourself a garden diary or journal. This can help you to record when you've sown seeds, where you've sown the seeds, and what you've done with them, and also to record any successes and failures that you can learn from next year, so that hopefully you repeat the same successes and don't repeat the same failures. You should also be ordering your seeds, seed potatoes, onion sets and garlic now if you haven't done so already. As most of you will know, if you are a current subscriber and you watch my videos, then you'll know that we've already got, I already have onions in from autumn planting onions and autumn sown garlic cloves. So they're on the way and doing so, but these are for your spring, order for your spring planting stuff. I'm rambling on, sorry. Direct sowing into the polytunnel. So really the only crops that can be sown directly this month is only two. That is early carrots, such as a Namur F1 or something like a Amsterdam forcing, and also early radishes. I would suggest sowing them at the end of the month, as it probably won't be as cold and less likely to be hit by hard frost. Planting into beds. So later in January is the best time to be planting your strawberries into your greenhouse or polytunnel beds. These plants should come from established runners which have been potted up and left outside until now. These will produce an extra early crop of strawberries from April onwards. So sowing into modules and pots around about 18 to 20 degrees Celsius if possible. So towards the end of January you can be planting sowing the following vegetables into modules or pots, and place it into a propagator in your greenhouse or onto a warm south-facing windowsill in your house. Cabbages such as a Hispy F1 or Pyramid F1, these could be sown one seed per cell. Coriander, chervil and dill, 5 seeds per cell each. Leeks such as Roxton F1 or similar, 2 seeds per cell. Mange 2 peas, 4 seeds per 7 centimetre pot. Onions such as Golden Bear F1, 4 seeds per cell for planting out in April. Oriental salads, Mizuna, Mbuna, Rocket, Tatsoi, Texel greens, mustard greens, any such thing as that, Oriental brassica salads, 5 seeds per cell each. Spring onions such as Parade or Ishikura, sort of a bunching onion, 5 to 10 seeds per cell depending on how many you like in a bunch. Harvesting. So what can we be harvesting this month in the polytunnel? You may have rocket, wild rocket, mustard leaves, tatsoi, pak choy, corn salad, winter purslane, cress, mizuna, mbuna, komatsuna, Texel greens, most of your Oriental brassica salads, baby spinach, beet leaf, or I've forgotten what we call it now. Some perpetual spinach and stuff, and maybe even some lettuce leaves. General maintenance for your greenhouse and polytunnel in January. So clean the glass or plastic panes or the plastic covering of your polytunnel, and all your pots and modules and everything and trays. Replace cracked or broken window glass panes, or repair any rips in your polytunnel fabric. Also, keep the soil moist but not too wet. Ventilate on sunny days. Pre-warm the soil by covering it with black plastic if you want to get some earlier crops in. This is also the best time to prune your grapevine if you have one. Grapevines can easily take over a polytunnel or greenhouse, so be quite ruthless with the secateurs when pruning back. Prune them right back down to a small stub with probably 1 or 2 buds on. Well, at least 1 bud on. If it's not got a bud on, it's not going to grow, is it? Yeah, prune it right down to a little stub with 1 or 2 buds on, and then the grapes will form on the new growth. If you haven't done so already, clean your tools. Boiled linseed oil is good for wooden handles, and a mixture of old oil and diesel can be used to on any rusty metal blades or any rusty metal handles on your tools. So I think that's pretty much everything that we can be covering this month in Polytunnel and Greenhouse. Just remember, guys, everything can be taken at your own pace at the moment. It's slow build up to spring now. The only other thing I would say, which I haven't said already, is that you could be doing some broad beans in a pot, either sort of a 7 centimetre pot, probably two to 3 broad beans per pot, and they can be getting ready to be going out in the spring. But other than that, guys, thank you for watching. Please do remember to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you to everybody who has subscribed. We have 405 subscribers now. I never thought it'd even get to one. I never thought I'd even reach 100 subscribers, never mind 405 subscribers. Everybody, please do check out my Instagram and my Facebook and my Twitter up here. We have over 1,000 followers on Instagram, and over 2,000, I think it's 2,800 2,800 followers on Twitter. The Facebook is not as popular. I think people seem to prefer Instagram and Twitter for some reason. But yes, guys, other than that, thank you for watching. Please do like, comment and subscribe. Please stay warm, please stay safe, and please do enjoy the rest of your month and enjoy your gardening. Thank you very much, and I shall see you all in the next video.